Hello and welcome to today's episode. The topic today is about cryptocurrency. As you can see, we have many things to talk about, and we also discuss the bull market. Why is it going a funny way? Check this out. Why the traditional 4-year crypto cycle may be over. Finish. There is a new way of crypto. If you're not subscribed in this channel, you should subscribe. I post about important cryptocurrencies daily, as much as I can. Now, this piece of news is saying that the 4-year cycle may be broken. Nothing stays the same forever in this life. So perhaps this bull market will continue to 50 years. You never know what's going on in the future. Perhaps there is no more bear markets. They will call it something else, like raccoon or a rat market or something. I don't know. Things change all the time. If this bull market follows the same way exactly as the previous bull markets, then we have about 3 or 4 months left, and that's it. But things doesn't stay always the same. I think that this bull market will continue a bit more, as many news articles are saying. Check this one out. Microeconomic shifts are extending Bitcoin's cycle to 2026. So that's a whole year. It's not only few months left. And this is also my humble opinion as well. That's why I believe time has not come for the end of the cycle. Even altcoins did not get much love this year, and they haven't pumped not even 20%, some of them. Check this out. This geezer, CZ, he thinks that Bitcoin will pump to 500k. Binance founder CZ thinks BTC could top up at 500k to 1 million this cycle. So if this is the case, we are so early. We are only at 120,000. Someone is asking Grok, is this true? To see if this post is actually real or is it fake. However, if this is the case and this cycle Bitcoin is going to 500k, so we are still early. Check this out. Michael Saylor just bought 100 million BTC at the current price, which is about 117,000. I'm not sure why they keep buying all the time, even at the top of BTC price. They keep buying, and then if you take the average, it will be about 73,000. So that's the average price they are currently holding. The strategy, Michael Saylor. So strategy just bought 100 million of Bitcoin. I'm not sure why they keep buying all the time, even at the top. Would you buy at the top? Unless you believe that the bull market hasn't finished yet. So maybe that's what Michael Saylor thinks, that the bull market hasn't finished and there is bigger pumps coming. Otherwise, why would they buy at this point? What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comment section. And some other big whales, they are buying Ethereum. When the price dropped in the past few days, they are buying a lot of Ethereum. So that means they think that the cycle is not over yet. Otherwise, why would they spend millions on Ethereum at this price? And remember, folks, that 90% of people lose money in cryptocurrency. I believe that if you want to be from the 10% which is profitable in cryptocurrency, you have to go against the flow. But this is your own decision. Do your own research. So if you want to be the 10% which is profitable, you have to be opposite to the other rest of 90%. So if the market is all fear, you should be happy and you should be buying. And if the market is all happy and positive, you should be selling or something like that. I'm not sure. If you want to be the 10% which is profitable, you have to go opposite to the flow. There are mistakes that you can make which will cost you a lot of money, especially maybe selling at this price. If you sell at this price, perhaps it's going to cost you another 4 years of your life to gain back the money that you've lost. But this is your own decision. Do your own research. So the price of Bitcoin has dropped into 110k, as you can see, and in my opinion, I think this is just a normal drop. In the previous bull run, there were some drops which were like 50%, and then the prices start pumping again. So I'm not sure why everyone is feeling fear in the market. I'm not sure what's going on, but in my opinion, this is just a normal maybe correction or something. Here is another positive piece of news. Europe is making their own stable coin. So they want to compete with the USDT, which is using the US dollar, and they want to compete with the USDC also. So they are creating their own European stable coin. So that's a good thing. This means that crypto is getting deeper into governments and countries and so on. This was the topic for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this episode, hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will keep posting daily about important news in cryptocurrency, and I'll see you next time.